Cebu, the fastest growing economy in the Philippines. The business, trading, educational, medical, and service center for the central and southern Philippines. Cebu is also the #1 tourist destination in the country. Close to 60% of tourists visiting the Philippines in 2005 had Cebu as their primary destination. It is a prime manufacturing and export center. There are over 1,000 exporters in Cebu who earned close to $5 billion in foreign exchange for the country in 2005. There are approximately 300 foreign direct investors operating here, accounting for 80% of total exports. Today, one of the most successful industrial estates in the country is the Mactan Economic Zone, which generates over $1 billion in annual revenue. MEZ 1 and 2 are hosts to over 150 multinational locators, employing over 45,000 personnel. Majority of the foreign direct investors are Japanese companies such as Asahi Pentax, Taiyo Yuden, and Tamiya. Other well-known locators are American companies such as Fairchild Semiconductors, Timex, Lexmark, and Lear Corporation. To accommodate the demands of foreign investments and exports, more economic zones have been established. The West Cebu Industrial Park, a special economic zone designed for heavy industry, located in Balamban, where Tsuneishi Shipbuilding of Japan has launched the largest bulk carriers ever built in the Philippines. FBM Aboitiz Shipbuilding has also situated itself in this 200-hectare estate, where it manufactures state-of-the-art high-speed trimarans for export and inter-island shipping. Some of the special economic zones include the Cebu Light Industrial Park, 2 IT parks, and several PEZA registered IT buildings located all over Metro Cebu. Over the past 3 years, Cebu has established itself as the information technology hub in the Visayas and Mindanao. A combination of winning factors, including broadband availability and a large pool of competitively priced skilled workers, has made this possible. Today, there are over a dozen call centers located in Cebu and over 25 foreign investors in various software endeavors. Coexisting with our manufacturing and IT sectors is the tourism sector. Cebu's hotels and tourism facilities are the envy of the country, with international chains like Shangri-La, Marco Polo, Hilton, and Marriott already present in Cebu. Cebu has also established itself as the convention destination of choice. Cebu's waterfront hotel can seat 4,000 people in what is the largest convention facility anywhere in the Philippines.
For the Big Four group of companies, Cebu is a place where business and leisure thrives. We continued our investment since 2001 because it's extremely easy to do business here. We find dedicated talent and our operations are very successful.
Today, Cebu's centerpiece for development is the South Road Properties, or SRP, a 300-hectare PEZA-registered special economic zone owned and operated by the City of Cebu. The SRP is now open for business and was designed to accommodate investments in light engineering, commercial, service institutions, and tourism facilities. It is 5 minutes away from the Central Business District, 10 minutes away from the International Seaport, and 30 minutes away from the International Airport. When fully occupied, the SRP will employ over 80,000 people and be the single biggest driver of Cebu's economy. Electric power in Cebu is reliable and stable. It is part of the Visayas grid, which has an existing capacity of over 2,000 megawatts. Water in Cebu is provided by the Metro Cebu Water District, which provides approximately 110,000 cubic meters per day. Private wells account for the balance of water demand in Cebu. The Water District is currently engaged in expansion projects to increase the water supply. Cebu has a modern international seaport with regular direct calls to key countries in Asia like Japan, Singapore, Taiwan, and Korea. The Mactan Cebu International Airport is a Category 1 airport with a 3.3-kilometer runway, capable of accommodating all types of aircraft in all weather conditions. There are regular direct flights to Japan, Singapore, Hong Kong, Korea, Malaysia, Taiwan, and Qatar. The island's telecommunications and broadband networks can reach all major cities in 116 countries on a 24-hour basis. There are mobile phone providers as well as over 30 internet and Wi-Fi service providers operating in the island. Cebu also has an international telecommunications gateway.
Cebu is a major market because it has the single largest gross development product in the Philippines outside of Metro Manila. The receptivity of the Cebuanos to the latest in ICT has allowed this location to have all of the latest in technologies that are now widely available. So come to Cebu and you will find that whatever is in all of the advanced ICT countries in the world, you can find here in Cebu.
Tourism is big in Cebu. It is an island of wide choice and contrast. One can indulge in water sports, go diving, laze on pristine white sand beaches, play golf, or simply shop and dine. For expatriates, Cebu offers cosmopolitan living with world-class housing. It has an international school, which provides high-quality education and is accredited in several countries worldwide. Cebu's hospitals are also comparable with the best medical institutions anywhere in the country. There is almost zero incidence of political, religious, or ethnic disturbances in Cebu. Truly, Cebu is one of the safest cities in the Philippines. Behind Cebu's vigorous growth and economic boom is its hard-working people, numbering approximately 3.7 million. Cebu's workforce is fluent in English, skilled, motivated, innovative, and most of all, educated and trainable. 9 universities and over 35 colleges in Cebu produce over 22,000 college graduates every year. Approximately 20% of the graduates, or 4,000 of them, hold various engineering and computer-related degrees. To promote investments and provide a comprehensive range of investor services, the Cebu Investment Promotion Center, or CIPC, was created in 1994.
CIPC's vision is founded on a commitment to creating the best possible environment for the investor. Our mission is to provide a comprehensive range of services that will assure that investing in Cebu is not just expeditious, but also an enriching experience.
Cebu, an island with a proven track record of economic achievements, confident, aggressive, resourceful, and innovative. An island continuously tooling for tomorrow and primed for sustained growth in the 21st century. Cebu, defining the country's potential.